Hello, savages. Today we're going to talk about health and fitness for sales professionals. My name is Luigi Casas. As you know, I've been documenting my journey here at the Congruence Academy with the sales snipers. So we had the chance to meet James Cant, who's the coach for all matters related to health and wellness for the sales snipers. And yeah, he threw some pretty interesting bombs there. So let me share those with you. And guys, make sure you stick to the end. I'm gonna share a little golden nugget that he shared at the end. Kind of made me change the way I approach my relationship with doctors and health and wellness. First of all, as a sales professional, be congruent with what you're doing. Be physically fit. So if you're, especially if you're selling fitness, of course, but like selling anything, if you're saying, yeah, get out of your comfort zone, giving them those mindset reframes to people, and you're not congruent with yourself, you're not eating well, you're not being fit, you're not prioritizing your health, you're not being congruent, and you're not, that's gonna translate into lack of sales results ultimately. It's very important, be congruent, work out, take care of your health. Okay, if you don't have health, you have nothing. Then you're not congruent with what you're trying to do, which is getting people outside their comfort zones. Okay, one thing that sets people apart is actually consistency. Okay, and it's very important to maintain that level of consistency in all you do. It's not about, yeah, you just training a couple hours at the beginning and then don't do this. Rather train 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, but every day consistently during the entire year. That'll get you better results, of course. It sounds obvious, but it's not. Some people say, okay, I just want to do this real quick, and then they lose motivation and they don't do anything else, and the cycle repeats itself. Okay, one thing he mentions is the Aura Ring, as that's a device I'm not using. Full disclosure, I'm not using it yet. Probably I'll try it later on. It is a monitoring device for those who don't know. It even centers the nervous system and monitors your health overall. I think it's a ring that you wear, and it's connected to an app, which is apparently game changer. So he recommends highly to do that. He also recommends meditation, of course, to keep you centered. He mentioned a very interesting concept, which is the pyramid of health. Okay, which is based on training, like we said, eating well, and be resilient to stress. Right. So that kind of serves as a foundation for you to deliver optimal results. And again, sounds things that are obvious, but you're not going to be performing at the top of your game as a sales professional if you don't align with that pyramid. Okay. And one thing that I found really, really interesting that he mentioned a concept is that people go to the doctor for health related matters, of course, and that's great. He just made the distinction of doctors usually only look for things that will kill you, not improve your quality of life. So, and yeah, when he said that, I thought about, yeah, most of the times I went to the doctors, they're like, yeah, you're fine to do. Like, of course, they'll tell you to exercise and all that, but all these little nuances that we're talking about here about um, supplements maybe that you can use, yeah, things that are not life or death things, but improve your quality of life. Things that are most of the times not really in the doctor's agenda. So just make sure you're maybe having a health coach, an overall fitness coach, is different than just the doctor's approach. Okay, I hope this was helpful, guys. It was very helpful for us when we were with this session with James Cant, and yeah, you can look him up. I'll post the link below. James Cant, great coach for the sales snipers. Talk soon, brothers.